I'm Scott Martley, I'm a quantity surveying cadet from Christchurch. I was playing rugby for the first 15 at Shirley Boys High School. I got a knee to the leg. It was just a sore leg and I sort of run it off and then continued playing the second half. I went to the doctor a couple of times and they sent me home, and then I knew it was getting worse because it was just like seizing up and getting more painful. So I went back to the doctor and he sent me straight to the hospital. They put me into an induced coma in intensive care. And that's when they found out what it actually was, a flesh-eating disease, and their only option was to amputate my leg to save my life. When I woke up, it was obviously a very traumatic experience. One of the big factors that got me through that tough time was my support I had from my family and my friends. So I just thought to myself that I'm just going to make something out of this. I'm not going to let it stop me doing what I used to do. Today when I'm not working for Downer, I train for para-canoe, flatwater sprint kayak racing. I've been to 2 world champs in 2012 and 13. I'm building up for the national champs in February. I've got Oceania champs in Sydney. And in August I got the world champs, which is the main event of the year. My overall goal was to go to the 2016 Paralympics in Rio. I love being out on the water in the sun, pushing yourself to the limit pretty much every day. You can get put into a dark hole and you have to decide yourself that you want to get out of it. Yeah, you've got to make that conscious decision to do whatever you have to do to get there. And you can get out of it. I'm glad I made that decision because look where I am today.